Hey everyone, Andy here, back again with another part of our Anatomy of a DIT card series. In this section I want to talk about data wrangling or on-set data management. This is a very important job for many DITs on set, so it's important to have the right tools to offload data securely from a card and get it into post. So let's look at some of the tools that you may see on a DIT card to do this. Starting off, look at card readers. Of course, you need fast card readers to get your data off quickly. I have here just a Sonnet Thunderbolt S/S reader. Of course, you could use a variety of card readers based on the camera you have, but I would go for a USB 3 or eSATA or Thunderbolt reader if possible for the fastest connection. If you don't have a USB 3 laptop, get one. You're going to need it for speed. I also have a USB 3 hub attached to my MacBook Pro here to get the most speed out of it, and also connectivity to other hard drives, etc. So USB 3 or better is a must. Attached to my computer also is a RAID here. This is a Promise Pegasus RAID. I think it's very important to have a RAID on set, not so much that you would give it into post, as much as that it enables you to quickly offload a card onto it and then later copy it to drives that would maybe go into post. Reason being that sometimes you have to just turn around cards quickly, and having a small drive that production might give you could slow you down. You want to have something go quickly onto and then transfer it onto that drive for transfer into post. So having a fast RAID is important. This is a Thunderbolt RAID. You may want a SAS RAID or a eSATA RAID at the very least. And this is going to give you tons of speed when you need it. So very nice option to have on set is a RAID. I also have here, for working with different hard drives, a little eSATA to Thunderbolt adapter, which is just great to have. This is from Lacey. So if you have an eSATA drive, you can hook up into that. Again, you're probably going to hook up several different little hard drives to your computer for offloading purposes. eSATA, USB 3, if you can get it, that's the way to go. So RAID, card reader. Software-wise, you want to have a software that can transfer the data off of the cards onto your drives, make secure copies, do checksums, things like that. I have here ShotPut Pro, which is a very popular option. ShotPut Pro will copy media for you, do a checksum, create a log, important stuff. Also check out SilverStack from Pom4. It's a great tool also with very verbose logging and tons of other options for offloading data. So there's really a lot of great tools out there for offloading. Just make sure you use one rather than just dragging and dropping. I know it's hard to do, but we all break the rules, but it's important to consider some tools for offloading data. Finally on my set, some more advanced options for offloading footage. I have down here a Sonnet expansion chassis. This box right down here, as you can see, simple little box in the cart. This box has a PCI cards in it, and it has a Thunderbolt interface as well. I have a RAID box in there with the SAS connection. This SAS connection can be used to attach to an LTO like I see down there, or attached to a codex reader, etc. So nice to have an option for SAS if you need it. So it's serial attached SCSI, SAS. That's in there, as well as a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection for working with cameras like the Phantom and others. So those two cards are in there right now, giving me lots of connectivity for more advanced workflows. And that's, again, just attached via Thunderbolt to my computer. So again, more features. And as I said before, I also have down here an LTO 6, which is a backup system. LTO is a tape backup system. Not very popular. I don't often see LTOs on set for smaller productions, but on big movies you may see an LTO running. LTO is a very secure data backup. And LTO 6 is actually quick enough now that you probably actually could do backups on set. Another option for that is the MTape from Mlogic, which you can see here. This is a sort of self-contained LTO 6 data backup system, and it has a Thunderbolt interface on the back as well as a SAS interface. So another great option, of course, for LTO. Again, not super popular on small productions, but on bigger movies where insurance is involved in bonding, having an LTO backup of your data is important. So something you can have in your cart as well if you want it. So that's pretty much it for now with this whole thing. Again, big key topics here. Fast card readers, fast RAIDs for moving data quickly, software that makes sure that we're copying things accurately, consistently, and then consider options like this expansion chassis for other card interfaces, and even an LTO if you want to give super secure backup to your system. And with something like that MTape, you can do that fairly inexpensively today. So that's it for now. I think we've covered the cart pretty thoroughly. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.